Subscribe to the Coding Umpire channel and press the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Coding Umpire. In today's video, we will learn about Autosum and how to use it. So let's see. What is Autosum in Excel? Autosum is the most powerful feature in Microsoft Excel. It helps to carry out the task at a great speed. When you want to total a particular row or column, you use this function. Autosum helps to total up various rows and columns in the Excel. Without inserting a formula in the formula bar, you can directly total the row or the column by just clicking on Autosum or Alt plus equals to. For example, if you want to total the values of row cells, from cell J18 to cell I18, then you just need to select it and click on Autosum. Or instead of using the Autosum button from the toolbar, you can press Alt and equals to achieve the same result. You will do the same in the column. The values of column cells, from cell J18 to cell J21, then you just need to select it and click on Autosum. Or instead of using the Autosum button from the toolbar, you can press Alt and equals to achieve the same result. This feature does not require to remember the formula. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.